Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to attach the GARMIN Varia RearVue 820 to the mount and set its orientation. So to apply your radar to the mount, you have to basically align the tabs on the back side of your radar with the mount notches, and you can do it if you place it horizontally like this from any side and then rotate it like this. By default, your button should be facing upwards, and yeah, that's basically it. Now the other rules are that your radar has to be facing straight backwards. It also has to be mounted as high on your bicycle as possible, and the distance from the bottom of this radar to the road has to be from 250 up to 1000 and basically 1200 millimeters. So if you for some reason cannot apply it this way, you can always override settings of your radar in the application on your smartphone. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. So you have to open the Varia application on your smartphone. Then you're gonna have to connect with your radar, go to device settings and select device orientation and choose up or down manual. So down is in case your button is facing down, and up in case your button is facing up. By default, we use automatic in case basically we have managed to apply this radar according to all rules without any problems. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.